Now, the S&P, this is right where we were at. We were streaming earlier, so I don't need to repeat myself. It is, gosh, it's kind of tempting to go long, even though it might just be a long to the top of this zone, which makes it not worth it for me. If I thought we were going to bounce, we're rocking and rolling, maybe. And arguably, this is the time to go long. If you're a trend player, you're probably thinking that looks really good right now. And it does. If this was 5 minutes into the bell, maybe 15 minutes after, like the gamblers are done, I'm for sure buying that dip. Eyes closed, 1,000 out of 1,000 times. We're trending up, high or low. Yeah, we broke this. That's not jack. But we are kind of up there. It's overnight. Let's just see where we're at tomorrow. I don't think we have anybody talking tomorrow. Oh, we do. It wasn't Thursday the only day we have something. Yeah, PMI. So that might be our excuse. We'll have to see. Everything else we've already broken down. Nothing's changed. But anyway, ooh, the NASDAQ looks. Gosh. If someone even mentions in the chat they're going long the NASDAQ, I'm following it. I'm gonna put my stopper. You're begging to tag out. But I'm so tempted to go long that right now, and just stop right there. I wake up in the morning with a notification or no notification, and I see how much I'm up. Which I gotta tell you guys, have we ever talked about that? How good of a feeling that is? You go along, your stop's right here, and you wake up in the morning, it's like 6 a.m., and there is not a notification. You're like, yeah, you know what that means. The biggest letdown is when it's like right here. You're like, sweet. You know, like I would almost rather just tag out, but there has been times where it just runs overnight. And you're like, I don't even need to do anything today. Turn the alarm clocks off, kick back, hang out. Before I jump into tickers, I'm going to start going live. You guys are obviously still going to get your recording, but I am going to try the live stuff out. And that's also not to say that the live streams might just be what I do in the mentorship chat and YouTube just gets a video. I want to make it's obviously going to lean towards value being in the mentorship group. But so the next, I'd say couple months, hopefully a couple months, we do a couple months of experimenting. Just see where we're at.